Hello there. Welcome to my data story from a beginner to an analyst. This is me, MZ, and this is both my documentation and your career starter into the data world. So, who am I? A computer science graduate in 2023 with 3 years of experience as a data analyst. I worked as data analyst instructor at Google Community, a freelancer data analyst across my social network, and real-time and reporting analyst at a well-known outsourcing company. Also, I'm Kaggle expert 2 times as a notebook and dataset expert, Egypt FWD certified in data analysis, completing over 25 courses at Data Camp, and having 4-star in problem solving in Java, 5 in SQL and Python. As a result, my toolkit is Python, Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, SQL, Tableau, Flex, and Verint. Am I professional at all of these? The answer is yes, as I made professional projects using these tools across finance, marketing, HR, sales, workforce management, and supply chain. Okay, so why did I create this channel? I created this channel to share everything I have learned, like ad hoc analysis and dashboards, problem solving, and tool content and tips. Which means, whether you are a beginner or an analyst, definitely you will find something valuable here. So, if you're passionate about data like I am, hit subscribe and let's grow together, one dataset at a time. And for now, let's dive in.